Hey everybody, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a box from HAI Supply, and if you're unfamiliar with them, they carry a bunch of embellishments and beautiful Japanese papers, and they have tons of washi, which is beautiful, stuff I haven't really seen anywhere else. So I've got this box and I am going to open it up and show you what's inside. So, all right, I'm going to set it over here and we'll just do little bit by little bit. All right. We've got papers and all kinds of goodies in here. So we're going to start with the Japanese handmade washi paper set. This is set 1 called Summer Cranes. And oh yeah, it's beautiful. So it's a sticker gift box. This is, I mean, the papers online were gorgeous. So let's take a look at what they actually look like. And this box is wowza, right? Just wow. How cool is that? Just gorgeous. All right. And look at the gold foiling on that box. I mean, the box alone. All right, let's open it up. Oh, goodness. Okay, let's take a look. Ooh, so these are like washi stickers is what I am gathering. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, yes, look at that. So it's a washi sticker. And that is beautiful, the gold foiling. And there are a ton in here, it looks like. So I'm just going to set those down and kind of show you how pretty these are. Think of the projects you could do with these. Or die cut them, or, oh my goodness, just so many beautiful possibilities with this. So, oh, that's pretty. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Love that. Oh, and there's just so many in here. Oh, look at the beautiful cranes. Look at all that. There's so many. And these measure 4 by 4 inches. So that's beautiful. Wow. And the koi. There's koi on that one. And more cranes. Oh golly, we're still going. So that does it for like the washi stickers. And then we have this beautiful like washi paper. And it has gold detail on it as well. So let's go through these because there's a ton of these ones as well. You know, it's not super delicate, but it's not heavyweight by any means. So I guess that's why they call it washi paper, right? That's beautiful. You think of the possibilities with this. Those are beautiful. All right, so we've got all of those, and that is from this box right here. Love that. Okay, so I was wrong. This is the Summer Cranes box. There's only one box, but there are a couple different versions of the washi paper. So this is it. This is it for this. But here, there's several of these. So this one is the Japanese handmade washi paper set, and this is set number 1. So let's take a look at the papers. Yeah, I can tell you already I'm kind of in love with these. Oh, look at how pretty that is. That's beautiful. So much detail. And there's 20 sheets, so it's 20 patterns. It's like 5 colors. So you've got your yellow, and it looks like you've got your reds. You've got your greens. Did I do that right? Oh, here's another one I missed. I was like, that's not 4. There we go. Then we've got our greens, which these are just stunning. The detail on them. I'm trying to hold them in the light so you get an idea. And then there's also these blues. And then we have the blacks. So, oh my gosh. Look at how absolutely stunning those are. Love it. Ooh, love it. All right. So there's those. Those are stunning. And then we have a bunch of washi tape in here. So here we have this one. Oh, I love this one. This one is American flags. So check that out. It's wide, and so look at how cool that is. You could cut those and make little American flags all over your project. Love that. So there's that one. Then we have this one, which is a red foil tape. How beautiful is that? There's other colors of that one online. And of course I'll have everything listed down below in the description box. Oh, and then there's this one. Oh goodness, I love this one. This one is the gold foil spots. So look at how pretty that is in the light. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Then we have this one. It's called Baby Feet. That is so cute. But I actually feel like you could use this for baby projects, but you could also, like the other day I made a Bigfoot card. How cute would that have been with a Bigfoot, right? So baby feet, Bigfoot, whatever. I just think it's cute. That's cute. And then this last one I have, which is like a staple. I mean, look at that. This one is the black and white diagonal stripes. I mean, that is just awesome. I feel like I should do a video just on different ways to use washi in your card making. So if that's something you're interested in, you should leave that down in the comment section down below. All right, and now the embellishments. Okay, so let's go through these. There's a ton of beautiful ones in here, and there's a ton on the site. This one I don't have a name for, but I'm assuming this is something mermaid. But check those out. Those are a little bit bigger, and there's just all these colors in there, and it's gorgeous. If I can find it on the website, I will link it down below. If it's not there, then I will find it somewhere and get that linked so that you can check that out. But these are beautiful. Perfect for summertime. Then along those lines, there's this one called the Enchanted Sea, which has some of those like little mermaid ones in there, but it also has a bunch of little stars. It has shells, and it has pretty pink and flowers, but pretty pink sequins. But isn't that gorgeous? That one's called Enchanted Sea. Then we have this one. This one is called Elsa Blue. So it's got like these bluish, almost lilac, lavender type. Depends on how you look at it in the light. But there's white ones in there, or I mean clear ones, and there's the blue, and there's flowers, and then there are tiny circles and medium size. So there's a lot of variety in there. And then along that same line, we have the Elsa's Sunset. So this one's beautiful too. It has the orange, and it has the clear ones, and it's big and small. So it's along those same lines, but isn't that beautiful? And then we have, oh, I love this. We have the clay mushrooms, and this just can go in all your like little fall projects, or your gnomes, or you know, your forest kind of projects. How cute is that? Then we have the clear heart droplets. I love these. So these ones actually have some, I should open this up and show you. Hi, Miles. Miles is here. I don't know if all the crinkling has brought him in for attention here. But look, there are some different sizes in this, which I think is so cool. Typically you don't see that, at least I haven't. It's got some smaller hearts and some bigger hearts in there. And I love that. Just love that. So, yep. Those can go on like all your projects because they're clear and they're hearts, right? So who wouldn't want a heart on their project? All right. Then we also have, finally, we have the Super Dazzle stars. So these are gorgeous as well. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, beautiful. All right, so that is going to do it for this little haul here. If you liked this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already done so. I will have everything linked in the description box down below that I can find. And I will see you very soon in the next video. So thanks for stopping by, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye.